Hello dear students, as we all know that the date of NEET UG 2024 is approaching near to us. It is 5th May 2024 only, and only few days are left. Now, how to perform best in this upcoming competitive exam? My dear students, you need to remember it is the competitive exam in which way of elimination process used to work. So you need to secure yourself. You need to secure yourself from getting eliminated from the process of selection. Now, how you can secure yourself? You need to improve your speed as well as accuracy. In these days, how you can improve your speed as well as accuracy? To improve the speed, you need to do more practice on the questions in every subject as well as on every topic. So I will suggest you every day at least select few chapters from every subject and do a vigorous question practice to improve your speed. You can decide that in everyday regime, I will do a practice of 30 questions in 15 minutes, 30 questions in 20 minutes, like that. So, in biology, try to improve your speed that you can attempt the question on an average in 30 seconds. In chemistry, let it be 45 seconds, and in physics, let it be in between 1 to 2 minutes. Along with it, you also need to improve your accuracy, and it can be achieved by revising point notes in every subject in every topic. So keep revising the point notes subject wise as well as topic wise, and along with it do more practice. Now, what will be the most ideal chronology to attempt this exam? कैसे attempt करें exam को? Now, almost all coaching institutes are conducting a full syllabus test. So, now onwards, in those full syllabus tests, upcoming full syllabus tests, you also need to follow this chronology. As we know that the total marks of this examination is 720, out of which 360 belongs to biology, 180 for chemistry and 180 for physics. Now, we know there are two sections, section A and section B, in every subject. So in biology also, in botany and zoology, two sections will come, section A and section B. Likewise, that in chemistry, two sections will come, section A and section B, and in physics also, section A and section B. The most important points I wish to discuss over here is what you need to do in case you find that a question is wrong, that relevant data is not given in that question, or might be the correct option is not available in that question. In these conditions, for wrong questions, if that question belongs to section A, do not attempt, because on page 18 and 19 of NEET booklet, it is clearly mentioned that if wrong question belongs to section A of concerned subject, the marks will be given to all students no matter whether they had attempted the question or do not attempt the question. So, if any wrong question belongs to section A of relevant subject, please do not attempt that question. Don't waste time. Save the time to improve the speed. But if the question belongs to section B, then in that case marks will be allotted only to those students who had attempted the question. So in case if you find a question is wrong in case of botany, zoology, chemistry or physics, no matter, if that question belongs to section B, relevant data is not given or correct option is not available, you need to attempt such question, because bonus mark will be given only to those students who will attempt such question. So dear student, remember it. Chronology, how to attempt this exam, हमें discuss करना है. And over here we need to also remember two important points. One, what if in case relevant data is not available in the question, it is a wrong question, or correct option is not available in the answers. In all these conditions, if that question belongs to section A, do not attempt such question, please save your time. But if such question belongs to section B, please attempt such questions, because bonus mark will be given only to those students who will attempt this question. And this relevant information is available on page 18 and 19 of the NEET booklet. Now, lot of confusions goes on in the mind of the student. I will attempt first the physics part, I will attempt first the chemistry part, I will attempt first the biology part, and in these confusions they are not able to find out the right sequence. Dear student, for it we need to pay attention on the tie breaking rule which are present on page 59 of information booklet. There are so many, hundreds of students are present on the same marks. So tie breaking rules को हमें weightage देनी होगी. So many students are there who will achieve 610 marks. But ranking तो सबको एक रैंक नहीं दे सकते, तो सबका merit list में रैंक अलग हो जाता है. And how they used to do, that is clearly mentioned by the tie breaking rules. Now every year they used to change such rules. अगर मैं previous year की बात करूं तो in last year the tie breaking rule was that privilege will be given to those students who will score more marks in biology, and then the second privilege will be given who will attempt less negative mark in biology. But this year they had made it very much simple. In case of tie breaking, the privilege will be given first to those students who will score more marks in biology, then more marks in chemistry, then more marks in physics, and after that if two students again used to be present on the same scenario, अभी भी tie breaking नहीं हो पा रहा, then by doing the random selection through computer, kind of lottery we can say. So now it is quite clear from these tie breaking rule that I need to score more marks in biology, then more marks in chemistry, and then more marks in physics. So in attempting the examination paper, I will give preference or privilege first to the biology segment, then to the chemistry, and then to the physics. And do not afraid to attempt certain questions in biology where you are confused कि negative marking हो जाएगी. You need to take a bit risk to score more marks in biology. So that is how my suggestion to you is that if there is a wrong question in section A, leave it, do not attempt. But if wrong question belongs to section B of any relevant subject, please attempt such question, because bonus mark will be given to those students only who will attempt such question. Then in case of tie breaking, privilege will be given to the students, those who will score more marks in biology, then in chemistry, and then in physics. Now, how to revise biology in these last 30 days? We know that almost 45 questions used to come from our class 11 syllabus, and 45 questions comes from class 12 syllabus. Now, if you will do the analysis of the previous year paper, from human physiology, approx 12 to 14 questions used to come, minimum 12 and maximum 14. From plant physiology, 10 to 12 questions used to come. From cell structure and function, 8 to 10 questions. From structural organization in animals and plants, 6 to 8 questions. And from living world, 6 to 8 questions. So, pay more attention on human physiology, plant physiology, cell structure on the initial days, and then revise the living world and structural organization. If we will see the analysis of the previous year paper of class of biology from segment of class 12, then from ecology and environment, around 12 to 14 questions. From biotechnology and its application, 10 to 12 questions. From biology and human welfare, 6 to 8 questions. From genetics and evolution, 10 to 12 questions. And from reproduction, 6 to 8 questions used to come. So, pay more attention on revision of the ecology, biotech, genetics and evolution from class 12 first, and then revise the biology in human welfare and embryology part. Now, in biology, NCERT diagram based questions need to be revised in these last 30 days. Then matrix match questions, and then assertion reasons based questions. Please, in every chapter, revise the NCERT diagrams, matrix match questions given in your relevant coaching MCQs, and in the previous year papers, and along with it also revise the assertion and revision based question. So dear student, I wish you a very good luck for upcoming NEET examination. I wish and pray that all of you will score 360 out of 360 in biology in upcoming NEET UG examination. Please remember, if wrong question belongs to section A, then do not attempt, you will get the bonus mark. But if wrong question belongs to section B, please attempt that question to get the bonus mark. And the best chronology to attempt this examination, please first attempt the biology part, then in chemistry, then in physics. Good luck to all of you. Thank you.